This is a pretty typical trigonometric integral. I'm trying to find some way to take advantage of trig identities to clean this thing up and get ready to integrate. And what occurs to me here is that I could pull out a factor of cosine squared and use the sine squared cosine squared identity on it. So without getting into every little specific detail, I see that something good is going to happen because I can replace the cosine with constants and sine functions. And all that's going to be left in this thing is a bunch of sines and then a single factor of cosine that's left over. And that takes care of the chain rule, which means all of those other pieces are going to be guessably simple. So let's see how the details work out. Cosine squared, that's 1 minus sine squared. I'm going to distribute. And so I have two powers of the sine function, each of which is sitting right next to a cosine, which takes care of the chain rule. So this is just the power rule for integration. The first term integrates to 1/4 sine to the 4th x. The second term integrates to 1/6 sine to the 6th x. The whole thing is evaluated from 0 to pi. And in this case, the limits of integration just kill the problem. The sine of pi is 0 and the sine of 0 is 0. So I get 0 minus 0 and the whole thing integrates to 0.